Hi everyone, it's Jean from Sew It Themes. Welcome back, and if you're a first-time viewer, well, welcome to you too. I am working, of course, on my December dailies, little golden book things, which I feel like I've been doing forever. But anyways, my latest thing is printing on vellum and doing a couple things with it. Now, I've laid it here on top of this sheet so that you can see, that's vellum. The vellum that I use is from Hobby Lobby. It's the Paper Studio. And I think the most important thing to look for is that it's in inkjet and laser printer copiers. Now, I don't know which one ever you have, but you need to have the one that you use, whether it's inkjet or a laser printer, you need to have the proper vellum to it, because if you use the laser vellum in an inkjet, uh, it gets messy. So I've been very, very happy with this. This has been fantastic. It's gone both ways very nicely. It's not cheap, cheap, because you only get 10 sheets for $5. But if you use your coupon, it's not bad. So that's the vellum that I've been using. I've been very happy with it. I think the color has come out very nicely, and the details and everything. And so I usually print it out. If you've not worked with vellum, I print it out and then I carefully pick it up by the little tiny corner and I just let it lay and dry. And probably don't have to, but I do this because I live in Florida and I just never know about drying with all our humidity. So I just lay it aside for 10-15 minutes, just let it set before I start working with it. And quite honestly, it's usually more than that because I'm on another project while I'm waiting, and you know how that goes. So what I've been doing is printing out these collages, which I'm just really in love with anyways, and I've been using them for pockets. I will take out a little section, cut out a little section, like the way it looks, and I will open up in here and show you. So then I sew it in, or you could glue. You don't have to sew, but I sew it in here for a little pocket, and it's just so cute. Isn't that cute? It's just a little different added interest to, rather than just plain paper, just having that little bit of see-through. And then you can choose a card that kind of, enhances the look or whatever. But that's what I've been doing with the vellum. It's been so much fun. It's been a lot of fun. And another thing I've been doing with the vellum, and that is when I cut these pockets out, then I'm usually left over with a scrap, like so. This was a scrap left over from one of my cutting up thing. And I thought, well, I think it would be really cool to make like a layered tag. So sort of like using the napkins, but you're just using the vellum instead. And so I took a tag and I dry embossed it. Not dry. Is it called dry embossing? I think it is. Anyways, I draw with the heat gun and everything. And it's a gold, it's an antique gold, so it's not a real super shiny gold. If I had another gold, I would have used it, but I just had the antique one, and I think you can probably pick that up and see that. So I put that down as the base. Maybe I should take this away. I also think you could use a stencil and do inking on the stencil. So there's several things you could probably do to put down on the base of it. And then I am going to take this little strip of vellum and lay over it. I think it's just so cute. It adds just adds something kind of fun to it. And I will do this. I think this one. I am just going to put a little dab of glue at a couple places here, like that, so that this doesn't move around for me. And we'll just lay it down here in the middle, like that. Okay, there. So it's somewhat secure. The fabric tack is really good. I use the fabric tack by putting, a small bead of glue all the way around it and gluing it. I can't find the one I was working with that I did that with, but I did do that once and it turned out fine. Just fine. So we'll just cut it here. Then I don't really want this to be only glued. I think it would be better secured if I put in a little eyelet there. Plus, I think it would look pretty cool. So we'll put an eyelet there. Put it in there. So I think this is just, something a little different and easier than doing napkins, actually. There we go. How cute is that? So it's just a different way to use up the vellum sheet to make a cute little tag, and you could embellish it with some more things. So that's just what I wanted to share with you with what I've been doing. And also, happy days. I have two that are pretty much done. I just need to go through and make sure that all the elements are in there and everything, but these are the first two that will probably be flipped through and listed early next week. Is the night before Christmas, which is sort of it's a vintage type of theme to it. And I'll just kind of give you a little quick look at that. And the other one is Santa's Toy Shop, which is a little bit more fun and more whimsical. And I got this songbook. It was so cool. Got this songbook, and it had all these different songs that went with every journal. It was like so neat. This was Toyland, and I have the Nutcracker one with the Nutcracker Suite music in it. So that was so fun. That was cute. So anyway, so this is more of a whimsical, fun one, and these will be the first two. So I am just about up to here with the little golden books, and I'm so anxious to kind of get them all done, and so I can clear off my area to do something different. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a really crafty day. Talk to you later. Bye.